Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at CrowdStrike, and on this chart we are tracking a double 1-2 setup. In this case 1 2 1 2, and we may have even started the wave 2 to the downside, the second wave 2, which should find support between $268 down to around $133. We have some levels of relevance between it, but this is the break that we would ideally not see. We could reverse as soon as we touch it. At that point, the interpretation would be complete, the minimum expectations would be complete, and we could head directly into the third wave of this third wave to the upside. And an ideal target for the overall third wave that started here, I cannot give you the ideal target for a third wave of the third wave because we haven't yet completed the wave 2, but this third wave would ideally get to around, let's see, $1,990. So about $2,000 would be the ideal target for this third wave. Now there is a possibility, there is always the risk that within a 1-2-1-2 setup we are instead in a larger A, B, C pattern, and that we may head directly lower, even below the start here, the beginning of this movement. But as long as we hold this support zone, the likelihood suggests that we may push directly higher into the third wave. Now there is also a possibility that we have instead completed the wave 1 in this top, and the count is maybe more something like this, where the fifth wave completed here and the third wave either here or still up here. The proportions I would prefer based on the proportions that we have, that the wave 1 topped here, but this is a possible interpretation that you may use, and I will actually add an additional count in yellow for that on the chart. And in this case we can track, maybe even already we may have started the third wave to the upside, and if this is the wave 1 up, we could track a support zone between $420 down to around $337. Now my much preferred interpretation is still the white scenario, but if you want to make sure you don't miss out, because there is always the possibility that we push directly higher, we may be looking at the wave 1 completing in this place instead, and I will also add this in yellow here. So it's possible that the wave 1 completed here, and then we completed the wave 2 very quickly here, and now we had another 1 2. We maybe even get to the support zone in this case and then push directly higher, and maybe into the third wave already double in price. It is a realistic possibility, but I would prefer based on the proportions, based on the structure, that we head lower into the white support zone. But for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and to see you in the next video. Bye bye.